What's up guys, it's your boy Albert here, and today I'm going to show you how to reverse your airtime back into your mobile money account. Alright, so I did a video about this topic some months ago, but there's been an update on that process. So I saw a lot of people asking in the comment section that they are not getting that option in that category, right? So the thing is, MTN has updated that category, that's why you don't see the option there. Also, a lot of people were asking so many questions, and so I would like to address two major questions that were in the comment section of that video before I walk you through the process. The first one is that will you be able to reverse airtime that has been sent to you by someone to your mobile money? Adema somewhere, then my poppy send me like airtime 200 cedis or 300 cedis. Hey, father, old boy sending me airtime 200 cedis. You know, boys want to cash out. All right, so then you want to reverse that that airtime to your mobile money, guys. Unfortunately, this will not work. This will not work. I saw a lot of people asking that in the comment section, and it will not work. All right, it won't work. It has to be from your mobile money. It has to be from your mobile money. Also, I got a lot of people saying that I bought 5 cedis, I'm trying to reverse, it's not working. I bought 2 cedis, I'm trying to reverse, it's not working. It won't work. It has to be from 10 cedis and above, okay, before you'll be able to reverse the airtime back into your mobile money. Just follow the process and then you would be fine. So just dial *170# just like you're sending Momo to anybody. And then you can go ahead to option 6, my wallet, and it used to be the option 7, but now option 7 says upgrade profile. So just dial # to go to next, and then 8, which is for reversal, option 1, which is for airtime reversal. And then you can see that I purchased 10 cedis airtime, all right, today. That's why you see this there, but I'll not be able to reverse it because I've already used part of this 10 Ghana cedis. And so that is the new update on this one. So once you hit option 1, you can go ahead and then confirm the reversal, and this will be reversed back into your mobile money account.